Hey friends, welcome back to Must Watch Before Buying, the best vacuum cleaner for 2025. Ready to explore the best vacuum cleaners of 2025? From Dyson's cutting-edge technology to Shark's innovative designs, we've rounded up the top vacuums that are revolutionizing cleaning this year. Our guide, Must Watch Before Buying, the best vacuum cleaners of 2025, is your definitive resource for a spotless home. Embark on a journey to elevate your cleaning routine with vacuums that blend powerful suction with state-of-the-art features. Discover models engineered for optimal performance, offering the versatility and convenience every household needs. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more. See you in the next video. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. All right friends, let me introduce you to the king of cordless stick vacuums, the Dyson Gen 5 Detect. If you're serious about keeping your space spotless, this vacuum is your new best friend. Dyson is known for their cutting-edge tech, and they've knocked it out of the park with this one. It's got a 70-minute runtime, perfect for handling those big cleaning sessions, and it weighs just 7.72 pounds, making it super easy to maneuver around your home. One of the coolest features? The built-in LCD screen. This thing shows you just how much dirt it's sucking up from your floors. Spoiler alert, it's a lot. Imagine vacuuming under your desk and finding out you've just cleaned up 108 million microscopic particles. Yeah, that's right, Dyson's not playing around. It's a bit like leveling up your cleaning game. But wait, there's more. The Gen 5 Detect comes with a fluffy optic cleaner head that's perfect for picking up invisible dust and hair. The light on this thing? Twice as bright as previous models, making sure nothing gets left behind. Plus, you can convert it to a handheld vacuum, which is a total game changer for countertop spills or tricky spots like your car's interior. Not only that, but if you're into customizing your cleaning routine, Dyson offers additional attachments like adapters for hard-to-reach places. It's versatile, efficient, and even has a washable filter. Less waste, more clean. And the price? You can grab this beauty for $914 on Amazon. Smash that like button if you enjoyed this review, and subscribe. We will continue to bring you the best of technology, so stay tuned. Hey everyone, get ready to meet the ultimate carpet cleaning champion, the Bissell Clean View Swivel Rewind. Pet Reach Vacuum 3197A. If you've got carpets or upholstery that need some serious TLC, this upright, bagless powerhouse is about to become your new best friend. This vacuum features a heavy-duty brush roll designed specifically for carpets. It's like having a mini cleaning army at your disposal, expertly loosening and lifting deeply embedded dirt and debris from your rugs. And let's be real, carpets can be a magnet for mess, but the Clean View rises to the challenge every single time. Cleaning expert Sarah McAllister swears by this model for its superior performance on carpets. She loves that it comes with replaceable filters that are easy to clean and can last up to 8 months. Talk about saving some cash on replacements. Even after running other vacuums over her carpets, she's amazed at how much extra dirt the Clean View still manages to suck up. That's what I call a thorough clean. With a 27-foot cord, you'll have plenty of reach to tackle those tricky spots without constantly unplugging and replugging. Plus, it weighs just 13.65 pounds, making it easy to maneuver around your home. And the cherry on top? You can snag the Bissell Clean View for just $135 on Amazon. It's an incredible deal for anyone serious about keeping their carpets and upholstery in tip-top shape. Smash that like button if you enjoyed this review, and subscribe. We will continue to bring you the best of technology, so stay tuned. Hey everyone, now we're diving into one of the best budget-friendly vacuums out there, the Shark IZ862H Stratos Cordless Vacuum. This thing is an absolute game changer for those of you looking for premium performance without breaking the bank. Let's talk about what makes this vacuum stand out. First off, the Shark Stratos is cordless, bagless, and it runs for a solid 60 minutes. Perfect for those long cleaning sessions without needing to stop and recharge. It's also super lightweight at just 8.9 pounds, so it's easy to carry from room to room. Now here's where things get interesting. This vacuum bends at a right angle, which means you can slide it under tables, couches, or even your bed without breaking a sweat. No more having to awkwardly move furniture around. It's super convenient. And guess what? The whole thing folds in half for compact storage, making it ideal for small apartments or crowded closets. The Shark Stratos also has this incredible feature called Clean Sense IQ, which automatically boosts suction precision when it detects bigger messes. It's like having a little robot brain inside your vacuum, making sure nothing gets left behind. I tried it after a messy dinner with my nephews, and it worked like a charm, picking up every last crumb under the dining chairs. It also comes with handy attachments like a duster crevice tool and an anti-allergen brush, which is perfect if you've got pets or allergies. And the best part? The Shark Stratos is only $500 on Amazon. It's seriously one of the best deals out there. Smash that like button if you enjoyed this review and subscribe. We will continue to bring you the best of technology, so stay tuned. Hey everyone! Now, we're diving into the world of clean with the Miele Triflex HX2 cordless stick vacuum cleaner, the ultimate vacuum for allergy sufferers. If you're tired of sneezing your way through cleaning sessions, this vacuum is about to change the game for you. This bad boy is not just a pretty face, it's designed to tackle everything from big crumbs, yep, it can take down an entire ravioli, to microscopic dust particles lurking beneath your furniture. Thanks to its smart floor detection technology, the Triflex automatically adjusts its rolling speed and power based on the surface it's cleaning, concentrating extra effort on carpets. For those of us with sensitive sinuses, that's a total game changer. Allergy sufferer Naveen Singh couldn't believe the difference when he switched from his old Shark vacuum to the Miele Triflex HX2. He loved the cordless design that offers incredible maneuverability while still packing the powerful suction Miele is known for. With a HEPA lifetime filter that boasts 99.999% filtration, you can breathe easy knowing it's capturing dust, allergens, and even viruses. Plus, it easily transforms into a handheld vacuum, making it perfect for cleaning your car or any tight spots around the house. At just 8 pounds, it's lightweight and easy to use, but don't let its size fool you. This vacuum means business. Whether you're dealing with hardwood floors or thick rugs, the Miele Triflex HX2 is up to the task. And guess what? You can grab this incredible vacuum for $749 on Amazon. For anyone serious about keeping their environment allergen-free, it's totally worth it. Smash that like button if you enjoyed this review and subscribe. We will continue to bring you the best of technology, so stay tuned. And that brings us to the end of our guide to the best vacuum cleaners of 2025. We hope this video helped you find the perfect vacuum to keep your home clean and tidy. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for the latest tech reviews and recommendations. Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. And don't forget to like and subscribe.